The newly transformed Disneyland Hotel is classic Disney with a contemporary flair. 3 vibrant towers, each reflecting the cool nostalgia of Disneyland Park. The magic begins the moment you arrive at each inviting lobby filled with colorful Disney decor and continues in spacious accommodations. Luxuriously updated rooms pixie-dusted with magical Disney touches. Outside, 3 separate pools invite pure relaxation, and one offers an imaginative slide inspired by the original Disneyland Monorail. Hungry? Sit down to a fantastic 5-star meal at the award-winning Steakhouse 55. Or head over to Goofy's Kitchen, where you can dine in the company of some of your Disney pals. Tangaroa Terrace features island-inspired surroundings and fantastic food. And Trader Sam's Enchanted Tiki Bar promises a magical getaway filled with tropical surprises. With so much to do right here, the Disneyland Hotel is a destination in itself.